All right, guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and we're going to call this Deal or No Deal. As you can see, this is a beautiful three-bedroom, two-bath mobile home. They have a lot of mobile homes out here, guys. It's actually on a dealer's lot. Beautiful mobile home, metal on metal. And I take that back, guys. The siding is not metal, it's actually vinyl. And then we have a metal roof. I mean, look at the window treatments, guys. The windows are so beautiful. I mean, to look at the outside of the mobile home, it kind of looks like a single family home, single family residence. Okay, beautiful mobile home. Like I said, it's on a dealer's lot. It's a three-bedroom, two-bath. They got a bunch of these mobile homes out there. It's a three-bedroom, two-bath mobile home. They're asking anywhere between 110 to $130,000 for this brand new mobile home.
Don't forget to check out the PDF that I have in the description concerning moving a mobile home.
So I'm going to call this deal or no deal. What would you guys think? I want to see where you guys are, where your heads are. Beautiful kitchen windows. So the kitchen is very open, and we're going to go inside in a little bit so you can see the brick on the outside. Very stylish looking mobile home, 2023 mobile home. Actually, guys, we do have several mobile homes that kind of favor this particular mobile home. Our mobile homes, guys, if you follow us, you know, look at the brick, it's beautiful. You know that our mobile homes, we like to rent our mobile homes out. But if you're paying $110,000, $130,000 for a mobile home, when would you recoup your money back? That is the big question. I mean, just look at it, it's a beauty. And also remember, guys, not all the time, but sometimes you might have to pay for the move. So you have to think about that, getting it hooked back up to utilities and the skirting and all that good stuff. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at the hood. It is a beautiful, beautiful mobile home. Living area is gorgeous. So if you're spending, like I said, anywhere between $110,000 to $130,000 for a mobile home, and in our situations, we like to rent our mobile homes out. When will you recoup your money? Is this a deal or not a deal? And in our situations, guys, we like to rent our mobile homes out to Section 8, so it would take us a long time to get our 110 or $130,000 back. So this would be a no deal for us. However, it could be a deal if you purchase this mobile home, brand spanking new, just like you see it, put it on private land. Of course, you're going to have to buy your own land. Put it on private land, and then go ahead and sell the mobile home along with the land. So you're going to make a land package. The thing is, guys, you're going to have to do this quickly because you don't want the market to crash. And then next thing you know, you're stuck with a mobile home, a very expensive mobile home, and a mobile home on land. Okay. So please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. But I mean, look at this home. I tell you what, guys, if I were to fall asleep in this home and wake up, I would not know that I was in a mobile home. I would not know the difference. They're making these mobile homes so beautiful, nice and affordable, even at this dollar amount, nice and affordable. Do I recommend that you do this? Purchase. I mean, look at the dishwasher, the refrigerator, the stove. I mean, look at that. I mean, the appliances. So no, I would not recommend doing this strategy unless you knew what the market was going to be doing in the future.
Don't forget to check out the PDF that I have in the description concerning moving a mobile home.
Will you be able to get your money back? If you spent look at the cabinetry. If you spent $130,000 for this particular mobile home, on top of paying for the land, would you be able to get your money back? You would be hoping the entire time that the market did not crash. This would makes this technique very risky. The way me and my brother do it, guys, we actually buy mobile homes that are already in the park, already used, already set up with the utilities, the skirting, and they're already ready for us, already ready to rock and roll for a Section 8 tenant. And we have never, to this date, spent any more than $20,000 for a mobile home. So we're able to recoup our money very quickly. And guys, along with that $20,000, we might have spent an additional $1,000 for a rehab. So the way that we do it, we are not worried about months and months of rehab, months and months of water bills, months and months of lot rent, months and months of electricity bills. We get in and we get out. Doing it this way, buying the mobile home, buying the land, moving the mobile home to the land, attaching it to the utilities, attaching it to the water. Guys, this takes months and months. And then the entire time you are hoping that the market doesn't crash in order that you turn around and make a profit. This is the reason why we don't choose to do it this way. We prefer our mobile homes to be in the park or already on land. If the mobile home is already on land and we buy it and we think we can turn around and flip it real quick or turn around and rent it and start getting a profit, then we choose to do it that way as well. So right now, this is deal or no deal. What would you guys do? Personally, right now, Hills, Deals, and Wheels would say no deal on this particular mobile home. Contact me at 800-974-5580. And don't forget to like and share this particular video and go ahead and subscribe.